athletes, it is Stephen Levesque with EliteFitnessWithSteve.com, and today is episode 3 of a series I'm doing 50 plus. Today we're going to work on stabilization muscles, core strength, the rotator cuff strength, and shoulder strength. I think you're really going to enjoy this exercise. I'm going to show you the bare bones basics of what you do, and then we're going to build from there. What we're going to do is, before I start, make sure if your knees or an issue, put some towel under there for your knees for support, and or padding under there so you want to be comfortable. All right, we're going to go in this position like this, and what you want to watch for, you want your feet straight, hands straight, and then what you want to watch out for is in your pelvis. You don't want to have it drop or come up like that. You just want to have nice and neutral pelvis. So this, for some people, might be very difficult, and that's going to be the practice. So get a mirror and just practice being in this position. So right now the rotator cuff is working hard to stabilize your body in this position. Now if this is easy for you, if you're here for 30 seconds, then what you want to do, the first progression to this is having one hand off. And now my right arm, this right rotator cuff, has to stabilize all my body weight with this one side. Try that, and if that's successful, then now I'm going to try my left side. Left side feels great, so here's some points for you to see where you are in your progress. If this is difficult, then just stick with this exercise with the single arm. Now, once we finish, the double is fine, the singles are fine. Now we want to move and see how our shoulders do when we're going to move in shoulder flexion. So what you're going to do is you're going to have thumbs up. You're going to come straight up. When you're doing these exercises, you just want to stay neutral and look straight down, but I have to obviously talk to the camera. Alright, so you would go like this, and you would do that 10 to 12 times, and see how that feels. And then you try the other side. Same thing. Thumbs up, 10 to 12 times. Now, once that becomes successful for you, now we're going to move our legs. So now both hands are down. I'm going to move this leg straight out, and that's what you want to do. Come straight out with the leg. Now I'll try it with my right. Come straight out like that. Alright, so now what we're going to do, next progression to this is we're going to have this arm coming up and the opposite leg come out. So it looks like that. Straight up for both. I'll try the other side. Same thing. And again, you're going to be in that same pocket of 10 to 12 reps. Now, what you want to do is, now I'm saying, okay, well I did that, so now I'm going to check to see how I do with just one side. And the same thing like this. And check how your balance is, your stabilization with just the one side. So that's another progression. You can try it, you don't have to try it, but you want to build up to that, get to that point. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, now we can do another movement. Alright, so let me show you another progression. This is where we're going to go straight back, but we're going to come right across, just like that. And bring it back, and then come in. So it looks like this. Straight back, coming right across, bring it back, come in. I'll show you the other side. Straight back, bring it right across, come over, bring it back in. Straight back, right across, come over, and bring it back in just like that. Alright, so now I'm going to get some weights. I'm going to show you some of these exercises with weights. Okay, so now we're going to incorporate some weights. So, same position, look down, and you want to do this 10 to 12 times. Try the other arm, just like that. And if you're feeling ambitious, you can have this leg come out as you come up. And the same thing with this leg. And then what you'll notice is what's very difficult if you wanted to try, would you have same leg come out like that. And that's just a greater progression to everything, but I want to try to give you as much information as possible on these movements. All right, well, I hope you like this video. Practice, practice, practice makes perfect. I'll write out the routine below. Let's try to get 30 likes on this video, and let's try to get 30 subscribers from this video. How's that? Welcome to my new subscribers, and I'm thoroughly enjoying doing these videos for you now every Friday. This is Elite Fitness with Steve. If you want to see exclusive content, go to elitefitnesswithsteve.com. Take care and peace.